Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will show you some easy methods to fix the something went wrong error on Android phones. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you should try is a simple restart. Hold the power button and tap restart. Check if the error goes away. Second, if the error shows up inside a specific app, try clearing its cache and data. For that, go to settings. Scroll down and find this option called apps and tap on it. Now use the search icon at the top right and find the app causing the error. For now, let's go with Slack. Scroll down and go to storage and tap clear cache. If needed, also tap clear data. Sometimes the error happens because of a weak connection, so don't forget to check internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or reset your network settings. If the error keeps coming back, go to the Google Play Store and check if the app has an update. If not, uninstall and reinstall it. You can also try updating system software. For that, go to settings. Scroll down and find this option called software update and tap on it. And here, simply tap download and install. Installing the latest Android update can fix hidden bugs. And that's it. Try these methods and the something went wrong error should be fixed on your Android phone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.